Quarantine. Quarantine.
Welcome to Quarantine Kitchen. Today we are testing out vegan meats. I've been vegan for 4 years and almost 6 months now.
Oh my god, you're vegan?
Oh, well. Surprise! But my two friends here, as you heard, are not.
Yeah, I'm definitely a carny.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
So it is time to do a blind taste test of some vegan meats some products that I've wanted to try, haven't been able to just yet, and are things that are a little bit newer in the market that I know my friends haven't tried, that I haven't force fed them yet. So it's time.
So cheap. We're about to do the vegan taste test. So give me the scoop. Do you eat vegan meat ever?
I've had vegan meat before, yes.
Is it something you regularly buy?
It is not. I've only had it in like restaurants.
I really hope it's not something like that I'm gonna spit out though. You know? But I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what we get.
Meanwhile,
Let's get ready to rumble.
Yeah. I think it's bacon.
It's not sweet at all.
This is breakfast sausage. Point like period. It was breakfast sausage.
Woo! So these are the Beyond breakfast sausage. Spicy.
Oh.
Taste it with the ketchup. It's actually so much better with the ketchup.
Okay.
Texture is
Alarming.
just like
I know.
sausage.
I would give this a 3 out of 5 because I feel bamboozled that it smelled like maple and didn't taste like maple, and it's like missing something.
Yeah. I actually would give it a 2 just because I think it needs more seasoning or fat.
I think that's what it is.
It's like the seasoning is all on the outside but not on the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a
Christmas
whisper
vanilla?
of seasoning.
Just a whisper.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 3 as well. Beyond products just are a little, they're just a little too spot on for me. Like the texture's a little too much, but overall it's like cute. Like I'm not offended by it.
Yeah.
It's good if it was there. I think with maple syrup, fire.
Yeah. Agreed.
Alrighty, ladies.
Oh, know about this
This tastes like bacon though.
one. Does it?
Like turkey bacon. I like the texture, but the flavor.
I grew up on turkey bacon. And this ain't it. It looks like fruit leather chew.
This is from the brand Light Life Smart Bacon, plant-based bacon. Okay, admittedly I tried this while I was cooking it. Look at my poor cooking.
We'll put some ketchup on it.
Like the texture is a little weird.
Not gonna lie, but the flavor tastes like turkey bacon to me.
boy, if you don't.
So I actually would give this one a, for a vegan product, for vegan bacon.
Yeah, for vegan bacon. I feel like bacon is one of the hardest things to replicate. There's so many recipes for like making it out of carrots, rice paper, so like
Carrots?
yeah, I know.
Rice paper?
Yeah,
I think I would give this a 4.
Wow, okay.
This is gonna be a strong 2 for me.
You know what? I would actually agree. A strong 2. I was like, what is this? It was really strange.
Yeah, like if I was
Low-key
vegan,
like
I
it.
would just rather not
eat
eat
it.
bacon ever again.
I was like, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, on to the next, everyone. Cheers. Okay.
Y'all coming for turkey bacon.
I don't even taste
It
anything.
tastes like blended vegetables.
Oh.
This would be breakfast sausage.
I don't know about that. To be honest with you, I actually am very disappointed.
This is 0, sorry.
It's definitely a no for me.
I've heard really good things about this, and honestly, the texture is just disappointing.
The texture,
The taste.
I don't taste apple or maple.
Or
Yeah.
salt?
This is the second time we've been bamboozled by the maple smell.
What if we dip it in ketchup?
But I'm gonna give this a 2. It's fine. It's for like a vegan breakfast sausage, it's fine. It's not what I've heard it to be, so I'm sad about it, to be honest.
I give it a 1 because it's not anything close to
I'm a fan.
maple, apple, or sausage.
Okay, next one. So now, so ladies, grab your forks, please. This is very, very hot.
Oh.
I can't do my blowing on it. What's the shape of this? What is this? Is this a sausage?
Mm-hmm.
That's what she said.
This is beyond sausage. Plant-based
Oh.
sausage.
And the other
No.
Like the texture isn't bad.
The texture isn't bad. I actually don't mind the flavor.
Maybe if you seasoned it.
Yeah, like I think the flavor,
Or what
like
if
it
you-
isn't bad, but it could definitely be improved upon, and I think you could just add seasoning.
What if you broke the
To it.
casing, like chorizo, and you like seasoned it?
Yeah.
I like the bacon more than this. Give this a 1.
Wow. I would give it a 4, to be honest. And the texture's not offensive. It's just not
Yeah.
seasoned well is the thing.
Yeah, I'll give it a 3. Like, I don't mind it actually.
I actually would not eat this.
This one I'm like, there's potential there. Like,
I feel like I expect more from them though.
that's true. Because
Yeah.
like their patties and everything are so
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
They've definitely mastered the texture.
The texture,
though.
you're right. Okay, maybe I'll give it a 2.
It needs,
I would say too.
it needs to
The
be
texture's
better
good.
seasoned with a little bit more fat.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a corn.
Oh, baby corn dog.
I was gonna say. So, ironically, this is the same one that made that little breakfast sausage.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. When you're
The meat is like a hot dog to me, actually.
This is definitely better than the breakfast sausage.
I wish it was a little sweeter.
Oh, the cornbread?
Yeah.
I have purchased them before. I know that I love them. For me, they're a 5. Just because they're such a fun replica of something that has a positive memory for me.
I give this a 4,
Mm-hmm.
actually. Just because it's pretty close. It's like, the flavor is like a little subtle.
No, I
I
would
think
agree.
that's the thing with all of these. It's like there's
Yeah.
not enough seasoning.
I actually changed it to a 3, sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a 3 too.
Yeah. Out of 5, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That is that, and on to the next. Is it a chicken nugget?
Wow, the
There's-
fork goes through it like a chicken nugget.
That's a chicken nugget.
It is a chicken nugget, or chicken tender?
Might be. It has like chicken nugget breading though.
Again, the flavor.
Yeah. All I taste is the breading.
Chicken tender.
A chicken tender. Oh, okay.
Oh.
So this is the Gardein 7-grain crispy chicken tender.
I definitely taste the grain.
Actually, the texture tastes like a fast food chicken nugget to me, kind of.
Mm. Ketchup didn't help.
As veganism becomes more popular, they're trying to create more products to replicate things that, you know, can help other people transition. So these are all, you know, fun ideas. We need more seasoning. The people
Yeah.
are asking for more
Please.
seasoning.
Give more seasoning.
Always
Give
more
seasoning.
seasoning.
I definitely don't think that you should let this detour you from trying other vegan meat products, because there are some incredible quality from these same companies that we tried today.
And I think if you're looking for like texture with a different kind of health benefit towards it, like I could see people wanting to like add this into their, you know, food every once in a while. It's just like they need to up their game. That's the only thing. They need to up their game with the seasoning, because if the seasoning was like more on point, it would be a different experience.
Right, exactly.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thank you for letting us try this.
Oh my-
this and putting this
Yeah.
together.
Stay safe.
Yeah, subscribe and like if you want to.
Show some love.
See you next